I don't know about you guys, but my room is toasty. It is 80 degrees in here right now, and I just can't take it. So I went online, did some research, found this cool company called EVAPOLAR, and they sell this literally, it's a personal air conditioning unit, and it just came in the mail today, and I'm going to box it for you. Here she is. Let's go in and open her up. Let's do it. They've done a nice job with their packaging. It's really sleek, and the product looks really cool as well. This thing's got some great features. Unlike a fan where it just recirculates that air that's already in your room that's hot, this pulls out fresh, cool air. It uses water to power it. It has full LED lights. It's really nice. It's eco-friendly, humidifies, purifies, and has this little LCD display to control all the features. Really cool thing about this is it's powered by USB, which means you could actually run it off a power bank or your laptop or something. So you could take this on the go, and it would be able to blow out this awesome, cool air for, I think if you had a decent power bank, 10 hours plus. But now let's go ahead and open this thing up. So yep, first you're greeted with, I guess, the manuals and all this other stuff. Don't really need it, don't worry about it. They are nice, and they do include a free power wall adapter as well as a micro USB cord. Let's unbox this thing. Yep, this is the black version. They sent the correct one. Looks very sleek. This is gonna sit on my desk because I am so hot at all times. Every single time I'm just working, my room is terribly hot. It's crazy. So once you get out of the plastic, I do like the way it looks, but I would say the build quality of this thing's okay. It's all plastic, which for the price, it's kind of expensive for getting just kind of plastic parts. But oh well, let's plug it in, turn it on, see what ends up happening. So I got it all plugged in, and I guess just to turn it on, you just twist a little dial at the top, and there are 10 different speeds, and it pushes out a lot of air, surprisingly. Now you'll notice, like you noticed before, it was blinking, and the reason why was because it was plugged into a not a good USB port, so it wasn't supplying enough energy to power the fan. So just make sure you plug it into a powerful power bank, USB port, or just use the plug that's included in the box like this. They have the EU and whatever other plugs you can order, but you know, of course, it's one in the United States. I got the United States one. Other than that, so they have how this works is you put water in here. It actually holds up to holds a whole liter of water, which is a lot, and so that'll last you for a long time. But it has this filter inside. I don't know if you can see that like filter. Yeah, so it uses this filter to give you that purified, humid air, as well as it helps like that allows it to, I think it evaporates the air and pushes out cooler. I really don't know how it works. I mean, 13-degree difference is massive. I mean, I'm so happy with this. Make sure, if you want one for yourself, make sure you click the link in the description. There's the link to the EVAPOLAR site, and you can get your very own. This one's kind of expensive. They have multiple models. They have like a smaller one. It's not as big as this. I think that one's $100. This one is $150. Yeah, $150 on Amazon. I was lucky. It came in one day. It gave me free one-day shipping from Amazon, which is amazing. So use micro USB, and you plug it in with 2 USB port. So there's a lot of questions about the filter that's in here. Like I showed you, there's that filter right there. There's been a few people who said after a little while they start like just smelling something from the filter. I've not really found that. Of course, coming straight from the factory, it has that like factory smell, but it'll be fine. See, what you could do is you could put like a drop or two of like an essential oil, like mint, or I don't know, whatever essential oil you want, and then this acts as your diffuser, which that can be really cool. Make your room smell good and be cool at the same time. And also, this filter is supposed to last 3 to 6 months. The filters cost, for this one, it's $40. The other one, the smaller unit, it's $30 for the filters. Alright, so I figured it out actually. So first thing you gotta do is to change this filter is take off this like water reservoir, and then see these like 2 sides, one up here, and there's just a flat side over here, but you push in on that, it lifts up like this. You're able to take it off, as you can see, just it's kind of a cover, and then what you do is push this in. There you go. a little flimsy once you open it up, but open that up, take this out, and here you have your filter right here. Yep, and I guess it collects the water. Yep, right there. Awesome. That's kind of cool. That's really cool. All right, so then to put it back on, find this little box thing, whatever. This little thing. That's like where it collects the water and stuff. And then push that. Don't push it, but just place it back in there. But so far, I've been very, very happy with this. I was surprised on how good this actually is. I didn't think it would be so good, but it's really good, and it pushed out some nice cool air that will cool anybody, I promise. Look at this. So this right here is the intake, or my room. So it's 78, as you can see it's 78, and it's pushing out 65-degree air. That is amazing. That's 13-degree difference. It was actually earlier, I had a little more water in there, and it was really cold water, so it was pushing out 64 degrees, and this was 79, so it was 15 degrees cooler. That's really good. So as you see here, here's your little like water tank here. You can pull it out and stuff. I'm not gonna do it because there's water in there right now. You can change the LEDs using this thing is like a dial pretty much, and it allows you to change the different settings and all that. You can change the color, you know, from red, blue, whatever. If you don't like Celsius or Fahrenheit, you want to change it to that, you just go to that last one, change it, it'll Celsius or Fahrenheit. Click to confirm it. There's a nighttime mode, so you just click it and it'll turn off all the lights so you can sleep without any light. And if you don't want to turn it all the way off, you can dim the lights, as well as you can set a timer up to 3 hours, so after that timer runs out, it'll just shut off.